Samsung's first triple folding phone, the Galaxy Z TriFold, is creating more buzz than many people expected, and recent poll results make that very clear. Even though this device is highly experimental, extremely limited in availability, and very expensive, interest is surprisingly strong. This is exactly why many believe Samsung should seriously think about ramping up production as soon as possible. Right now, the Galaxy Z TriFold is only available in South Korea in very small numbers. Samsung has already struggled with not one, but two limited availability waves in its home market. Officially, the phone is expected to expand to places like China, Taiwan, Singapore, the UAE, and the United States at some point. However, there is still no clear timeline, and that uncertainty is holding many potential buyers back. Despite this, a recent Phone Arena poll shows something very interesting. Less than half of the respondents completely rejected the idea of buying the Galaxy Z TriFold. That alone is a big deal for a first-generation triple folding device that costs more than $400. For a phone that pushes new design boundaries and is clearly aimed at early adopters, these numbers are better than expected. Around 40% of the nearly 900 people who took part in the poll said the price is simply too high. That reaction makes sense, considering how expensive the device is. But the real surprise comes from the rest of the results. More than 50% of respondents said they would either seriously consider buying the Galaxy Z TriFold or would purchase it immediately if given the chance. That shows there is real excitement around this product, even with its high price tag. Even more shocking is that over 20% of people said they would buy the Galaxy Z TriFold at almost any cost. For a phone that is still considered a risky experiment, that level of interest is huge. It suggests that there is a strong group of Samsung fans and tech enthusiasts who want to be early adopters of something truly different, even if it means paying a premium. This is where Samsung has a big opportunity. The group of people who are still thinking about buying the phone could easily be convinced with wider availability if Samsung suddenly launched the Galaxy Z TriFold in major markets like the US, China, and parts of Europe. Many of these undecided buyers would likely make the jump. For early adopters, being first matters more than the price. Of course, there are reasons Samsung may be holding back. Reports suggest that the Galaxy Z TriFold does not offer strong profit margins. The device is complex to build, expensive to produce, and difficult to manufacture at scale. But sometimes, the goal does not have to be maximum profit. Instead, it can be about strengthening brand image and proving leadership in innovation. Samsung has always been known as a company that pushes foldable technology forward. With Apple preparing to enter the foldable phone market in the future, this is a critical moment. Releasing more Galaxy Z TriFold units could help Samsung remind the world that it is still leading the way in experimental smartphone designs. There is also the issue of timing. Excitement does not last forever. Right now, the Galaxy Z TriFold feels fresh, bold, and exciting. But if Samsung waits too long, attention could shift elsewhere, especially as rumors about Apple's foldable iPhone become more frequent and detailed. Samsung needs to strike while interest is still strong. That said, no one is expecting Samsung to suddenly sell millions of Galaxy Z TriFold units worldwide. Even producing and releasing a few thousand more devices could make a big difference. It would keep the phone in the spotlight, satisfy early adopters, and maintain Samsung's image as a technology pioneer. Yes, triple folding phones are harder to make than standard foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold or Z Flip. But Samsung is the world's largest smartphone maker, and handling small-scale production should be well within its capabilities. The demand is clearly there, and the poll proves it. In the end, the message from potential buyers is loud and clear. The Galaxy Z TriFold may be expensive and experimental, but people are excited. If Samsung acts quickly and increases production, even in limited numbers, it could turn this early excitement into a lasting success and reinforce its position at the top of foldable innovation.